I found that two things make success. One, to have a servant mentality. When I deliver my service in such a way that it's unrealistically hospitable to my client,
Mm.
it's a servant mentality. You and I spoke about that early in our engagement.
Mm.
How can I make life better for you? How can I serve you? What am I serving you today? The second thing is extreme ownership. When I lose the ability to make excuses because they're
Mm.
already available. So if I stop making excuses, start taking action. So, when you offered me the opportunity on your podcast, without me thinking how big it is, how many people is going to reach,
Mm.
what time it's going to suck up of me, what time of the day will it have to be? Because you're in the States, I'm in South Africa, there's a massive time difference. I go,
Mm.
yeah, I'd be on your podcast. Why? Because I'd speak to people. And even if this conversation just changed the life of one person, I've
Mm.
really lived my purpose.
Yeah.
I had literally to start speaking to people, before selling them anything. Give
Mm.
value, give without expectation, create
Mm.
impact, make a difference. Whether that's in your boardroom, whether that's on a podcast, whether that's on an open stage,